Hey, this is Fred. I'm at Hoover Dam. There's Brenda right behind me. Let's take a look here. There's Brenda. And there's Hoover Dam. And up there's the Colorado coming in. You can see up there. That's the Colorado coming in. Down the channel. Boom. Hello. Isn't it amazing? They have a big bridge way up there. I don't know if you can see it. Where the sun is, there's a big bridge you can walk up to too, which is really cool.
Me say meow meow. If you like what you saw, please give the subscribe button a pop and check out another video here.